Hello, thank you for watching the JICA's ICT and Development YouTube program. My name is Masayuki Furukawa. I'm in charge of ICT ODA project in Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. Today, I would like to talk about the potential of ICT to leverage JICA's activity based on the result of the project research's application of ICT in developing countries. First, I would like to introduce a background and contents of the project research. JICA has conducted a lot of ICT projects in the past, but conventional ICT projects such as advisory for ICT policy, investment of ICT infrastructure, and human resource development such as training for ICT engineers are decreasing as an ODA project recently. On the other hand, ICT is not only a tool now and becoming as a platform for all other sectors, and needs of utilizing ICT as a solution is increasing in developing countries. Also, we can see several case studies with cutting-edge ICT technologies in Japan. So, we needed to start to consider how we can promote use of ICT in JICA project. The final report of the project research is published in the JICA web library. The contents consist of 5 chapters with around 520 pages. If you don't have a time, you can see only summary. Today, I'd like to introduce the contents briefly. One of the important devices is mobile. The graph shows the telephone subscription ratio. As you may know already, the red round dots show the subscription ratio of the mobile phone is nearly 100% in developing countries. Also, blue round dot shows even broadband connected mobile, which most of them seems to be a smartphone, also reached to around 40% in 2015 and will be 50% in 2016 now. So the number of people who have a broadband connection is increasing very rapidly. And this changes causes emerging unique mobile-based services and applications in the developing countries. M-Pesa is a mobile payment services used in Africa. And the World Development Report 2016 said that more than 40% of adults in East Africa pay their utility bills using a mobile phone. In Indonesia, Gojek, which provides Uber-style motorbike taxi services, is very popular now. The services shows unique evolution in Indonesia. The service provides not only the transportation, but also delivering services too. Also in Africa, initiatives related to mobile health expanding very rapidly. In the JICA project, the project developed a mobile-based alert system named MSOS, which I will introduce later. So we can see many cases use of ICT as a solution in the developing countries nowadays. In the report, 5 technologies is mentioned as the key technologies in future: mobile, cloud, IoT, Internet of Things, big data, 3D printings. AI, drone, virtual reality might be another keywords, I think though. Anyway, each key technologies or key combination of technologies are expected to make a huge impact to the various sectors now. The other international organizations and donors are also aware of the importance of ICT utilization and conducting a public competition or launching a special fund to dig up the innovative ideas. I will not mention detailed contents here, but the theme of World Development Report 2016 is digital dividends and examining the potential of ICT. So this year, ICT is a big keyword all over the world. Back to the JICA situation. Project research team reviewed all JICA projects from 2005 to 2015 and found out room to use of ICT more in JICA project. In summary, some sectors uses specific ICT tools like database, GIS, and specific business applications. In some fields, there are some new projects which ICT system act a main part of the project like EDI, ITAs, banking system, and so on. However, few projects in the traditional JICA scheme uses the key technologies which I mentioned before. On the other hand, there are several unique cases in the proposal-based project. So our challenges here is how we can use ICT more effectively, broadly, in terms of scheme and sectors. Also in the report, there are some typical factors which we need to be careful when we use ICT in projects, such as operation and maintenance issue for sustainability and cyber security for safety uses. Here I would like to pick up two unique cases introduced in the project research report for your reference. The first one is a proposal-based project by a small medium enterprise which conducted in Laos. There are two main systems using mobile, sensor, and big data analysis. A bus location system provides location of the bus in the map application for user who has no information how long he or she need to wait for their bus. The system collected the location of each bus by GPS of smartphone fixed in the bus. Also, traffic observation system is implemented to analyze the traffic information collected via Wi-Fi packet sensor. We see these kind of mobile apps used in Japan and other developed countries too. This is a good case that proposing company found this solution fit the needs of the Lao bus public call. The second case is the application developed by the Satraps project. MSOS is an SMS-based information sharing system which adapts to the old-type cell phone. MSOS is a bi-directional alert system which enables health facility in charge to send notification of suspected cases, a sign of disease outbreak in real time among the related organizations. We found that we need to choose appropriate technology carefully based on the user and the circumstances. Through the reviewing the result of the project research, we learned ICT use in developing countries has huge potential to leverage development effectiveness. Then, we faced the challenges how we can accelerate innovative ICT use in the traditional JICA assistance scheme. So, what will be the next actions? Our team plans to promote three activities now. First one, promotion ICT utilization in JICA. And second, exchanging the information to grasp the needs in developing countries. Third, creating and collecting case studies. So if you have good idea or willing to join with us, please feel free to contact our team. Thanks for listening today. If you have any questions or comments on this, please feel free to contact via email. Thank you for listening today. Hope to work with you in near future. Bye now.